Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you Kohinoor Hyderabadi Biryani Kit recipe. So this 339 gram pack has MRP of 159 rupees, but you get it at a discounted price of rupees 100 from Amazon. So in this pack we have this recipe instruction card and 200 gram of biryani rice, 125 gram of biryani paste, whole spices and this raita seasoning. So we have to boil the biryani rice first. Wash the rice thoroughly for 3-4 times and then soak biryani rice for 30 minutes. Now in boiling water, first add whole spices, a tablespoon of salt and now soak biryani rice. This basmati rice is cooked exactly for 5 minutes in boiling water with whole spices in it to get the right doneness, which is 70%. Now switch off the flame and drain down the rice well to get rid of any excess water. So we have these 2 onions thinly sliced and we are going to make brown onion out of it. So in the hot oil, initially on the high flame, saute the onions. Now turn the flame to low and keep frying till they turn brown in color. So this is how exactly it should be. Now take a spatula and press the onion to get rid of any extra oil and take them out on the tissue paper and spread them like this. And for biryani gravy preparation, add 2 spoons of oil in a pan. Add 300 gram of vegetables or chicken or meat and saute for a few minutes. Now add biryani paste to it and saute for few more minutes. Here goes 150 ml of water and a pinch of salt as per taste. There is a salt in the gravy also, so just make sure that you add a little bit of salt. Lower the flame completely, cover and cook until the veggies are completely done. Final gravy would be like this. Gravy prepared should not be dry. And we have the gravy ready now. This is the final step of layering. Now take a heavy bottom pan and add a layer, half of the rice. Top off with gravy layer. Now chopped coriander and mint leaves, roasted cashews and brown onion. Repeat this layering process. Fried onion, coriander, mint leaves, remaining gravy, remaining rice. Now cover tightly with a lid and make sure that the pan is sealed with dough to prevent steam from escaping. Cook this on low flame for 10 minutes and there you go. The whole process will take 40-45 minutes and the result of your labor will look like this. This biryani is the best among all the biryani kits available in the market. I loved the taste, loved the flavor. Just a tip for you guys, if you love spicy biryani, then you add 2 whole chilies when you fried the veggies now. Otherwise, it's all good. And this biryani kit is sufficient for 3 people? Yeah, for 3 people. So give it a try and subscribe for more videos.